Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Positive Wise VJ. In this video, you will discover most powerful positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are statements or mantras you can use to change your mental habits. They help you replace negative beliefs with positive ones. They can help you change your thought patterns, too. Positive affirmations are statements you can use to cultivate a positive mental attitude and improve your mental fitness. You've probably heard of affirmations, especially if you're interested in well-being and personal growth. They're a method for transforming automatic negative thoughts into positive thoughts. On its own, a positive affirmation isn't enough to create change. But they can support your efforts to change your behavior, build your confidence, and achieve your goals, both personal and professional. Using daily affirmations can form part of your self-care practice and help you make positive changes in your life. Okay, let's begin. I am ready. My efforts help me succeed. I can make a real difference. My hard work will pay off. I am strong. I have the power to make the right choices for me. I have faith in my abilities. I got this. I am grateful for what I can do. I am happy to be me. My goals are achievable. I am confident. I will be kind to myself today. I am on the right path for me. I deserve love in my life. I will take action to accomplish my goals. I will celebrate the progress I'm making to reach my goals. I will look for the good in things. I am always learning. I trust myself. I will try new things. I will turn negative thoughts into positive ones. I will accept myself as I am. I love myself. I will make time for what brings me joy. I am powerful. I believe in myself. It's okay for me to have fun. My possibilities are endless. I am well rested and full of energy. I am relaxed and at peace. I am strong in mind, body, and spirit. My life is a gift. I deserve love and happiness. I care for myself. Healthy food fuels my body. Today, I will take steps to reach my goals. I give myself room to make mistakes and grow. I will find moments of joy today. I embrace my power. I am enough. I have enough. I am in the right place, at the right time, doing the right thing. I can do hard things. I allow myself to be more fully me. I believe in myself. I am grateful for another day of life. I am worthy of what I desire. I choose myself. I am resilient in the face of challenges. I am proud of myself and my achievements. I will accomplish everything I need to do today. I do my best, and my best is good enough. I prioritize my well-being. I overcome my fears by getting out of my comfort zone. I am love, and I am love. Money comes frequently and easily to me. I trust my inner guidance and follow it. I accept my emotions and let them move through me. I take care of myself, mind, body, and spirit. I trust myself to make the right decisions. I give myself permission to take up space. I use my voice to speak up for myself and others. I trust that I'm heading in the right direction. I allow myself to make mistakes as they help me grow. I accept myself exactly as I am without judgment. I have everything I need to achieve my goals. I am constantly generating brilliant ideas. I am safe and supported. I love and accept myself. I am kind to myself and others. Thanks for watching. Positive daily affirmations can also help you improve your self-worth, physical health, change negative thinking, and boost your self-confidence. See you in the next video.